First and foremost, thanks for watching. This is Bliss. Please like and comment on our videos and also subscribe if you haven't already done so.
We hope that you're enjoying our content. The goal of our channel is so that my honey and I will get out more and do things to have a good time and to enjoy bliss. And we want to share that information with you, and we hope that we're making you smile. So I hope you saw one of our previous videos, which was about the likes of the Thor Gemini 24kb. If you haven't seen that video yet, please do go back and take a look at it.
We have our likes, and I don't like to use the term dislike, so we're just hoping to show you some things that we would like to see better. Yeah, we are good sports, and we try to maintain a positive attitude. So in keeping with our goals, we still want to make you smile, even though it's about our dislikes or what we would like to see better. So here we go.
Here we go.
This is Bliss.
This is Bliss.
Okay, let's see if we can use our other foot.
There was some confusion on our part if the unit should include 2 bucket swivel seats. As you can see, the passenger seat turns. However, the driver's seat does not have that capability. A second swivel seat would be great for casual seating and would also provide an extra chair when entertaining guests. I usually sit in the passenger seat, and it would be nice to have a tray table, one that I could slide out while working, eating, or recording. There is another concern here. That square pillow in the middle pulls down to turn the twin beds into king size. See those 2 black holes? Those are large plastic cup holders. I like the idea of cup holders while the beds are in the twin lounging position. However, those cup holders must be covered very well when the bed is in the king position so as to avoid contact.
Get up really fast.
I just came from underneath our rig to show you our generator position. I had good clearance underneath our vehicle. Could I change the oil in that generator? Yes. Could I get important information from that generator? Yes. Is it different than other RVs? Yes. But that is our 2023 Thor Gemini KB, and that is the generator position. One other thing about our vehicle, it does not have any leveling or stabilization capabilities. We knew that when we bought it, and that's something that is a added item through other manufacturers. But right now we do not have any leveling or stabilization capabilities. While I was underneath our vehicle, I did notice the factory bump stops. I will be replacing them with super springs, sumo springs, to help us with our ride.
On another note, we purchased Bliss in October of 2022, and there are still a couple of things that we're waiting on. The first one being the install of a solar panel that was missing.
And the controller.
And the second thing being the fix of one of the wireless chargers.
The solar panel is not really an issue because we haven't planned to boondock or go on any trips that require us to use just battery power. So we can wait for that to be done.
However, as we get out and we do more things, maybe we drive on some hills, we'll be able to experience more of what Bliss can do. And so at that time, we could have more likes and we could have more dislikes.
That's possible.
Thank you for watching.
This is Bliss. Please.
Did you laugh?
No, I belched. Thanks for watching. This is Bliss.